Hey guys, it's Destin the RV Guide here, and today we're talking about sealant, which is probably the most important part of servicing your camper and maintaining your camper. We're going to go over the different kinds of sealant, how to tell if your sealant needs to be redone, what products to use, and a whole lot more.
Hey guys, Destin the RV Guide here, going over more of that RV lifestyle stuff. Together we can tour the newest models. We're going to go over some RV tips and tricks, maintenance tips and tricks, RV news, and a whole lot more. If you're part of that RV lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more.
But Destin, I just bought a camper and it's got a 600-year roof warranty. No, it doesn't. It has a membrane warranty and you still have to do your roof maintenance. Now, as an RV salesperson, one of the first questions I ask about a trade-in is how often you've checked your roof sealant. And more often than not, customers tell me that they don't at all, or they never knew that they even had to. This one small piece of maintenance can make a huge difference as to how long your camper lasts your family. Manufacturers recommend that every 90 days you check the sealant on your camper. While you're up there, it's a good time to check your membrane for any puncture holes or any other damage to the roof. You never know. And what you're looking for is that sealant starting to crack, which would allow water to get up underneath that and into your camper. Good sealant should look something like this. There's no cracks in it. It's clean. It hasn't degraded. It hasn't discolored. And you'll notice after a while it will start to discolor and crack. And that's when you're going to want to start ripping it up and removing all that old sealant and laying down new self-leveling Dicor sealant. Now on the sides of your camper, you can just use regular silicone. And it's advised that you check your baggage doors and your outside kitchen if you have one as well as around your windows and pretty much everywhere that a seam comes together. Over time, your sealant will degrade and start to look something like this, where it's cracking, water's able to penetrate that seal and get into the camper. And I think we all know the havoc that that can cause. So to summarize, every 90 days, at least get up and check on your roof. Maybe even every 6 months, get up, check it before you pull it out, before you put it away for the season, and make sure it's got a clean bill of health. Make sure to follow along for more RV tips.